A curve has equation y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 19. What we do is we have to first write the expression 2x squared minus 8x plus 19 in the form a times x plus b whole square plus c. And for part B, we have to find the coordinates of the minimum point of the graph. And part C state if and where the graph of the equation crosses the x-axis. So to start with, the equation of the curve, and how are we going to write it in that form? So we have to complete the square for the given expression. So we do that by, you see, if you look at the terms with x and you see the common factor is 2 and x, so you leave the x there, and if you take 2 outside the bracket and you write something like this, 2 times 4x squared, x squared minus 4x plus 19. Now this can be converted to a square expression, so this can be 2 times 2x, and then you have to write so this will be 2 square, so it becomes something like x square minus 2.2x plus 2 square, and then because you've added a term 2 square, you need to subtract it again from 19, and that's what I've done. So you see that equals 2 times x square minus 2 times 2x plus 4, and then it is 19 minus 8. It is 8 because 2 times 2 is 4 and times 2 8, so that's why I have 8 here. And so that becomes 2 times x minus 2 whole square plus 11, which is of the form that they have asked for. So I've got the answer to part A, I think. And then for part B, now we have to find the minimum point of the graph. The minimum point obviously is when x minus 2 whole square is 0. So this square term becomes equating to 0, and that gives you x equals 2. And for the last, and then what is the point I have to find? So at x equals 2, y equals 11. So the coordinates of the minimum point are 2 and 11. And for the third part, I thought it would be nice if we could draw a graph. So if you could draw the graph, just a rough graph to show the minimum point and make it very clear that the graph can never cross the x-axis, because obviously it's a square plus 11, so it's always above the x-axis by 11, whatever would be the value of x. The value of x can be negative, but y doesn't get negative because it's a squared, x minus 2 whole squared, so it never crosses the x-axis.